as you're sleeping, covered in the early light. I could almost hear what you're dreaming as you let go of the night. And the breathing of the world was rested on your window pane. And when you put your arms around me, birds were chirping in the rain. You were sat by the mirror, slowly combing your hair, how it trickled down your shoulders, and you forgot that I was there. And in that tender silence, I could hear your heart in mine. And in that moment of surrender, formed a dyad in time. And though we moved in different ways, I'll take those with me always. And though we moved in different ways, I'll take those with me always. When you were crouched in the door frame, cradling a wren in your hands, your silhouette lit by the lights outside, all I could do was stand. And I think of you and it's quiet, covered in the early light, how I almost heard you dream as we walked into the night. And though we move in different ways, I'll take those with me always. And though we moved in different ways, I'll take those with me.